In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in your Wix website. This process can help you organize your web pages better, making it easier for visitors to navigate through your site. By creating folders, you can group similar pages together and even display them as drop-down menus for a cleaner, more streamlined design. So, let's get started with step-by-step instructions. First, you need to log into your Wix account. Head over to wix.com and simply enter your login details. Once you're logged in, the next step is to select the site you want to edit from your dashboard. Click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. On the left sidebar of the editor, you will find an icon labeled Menus and Pages. Click on this icon to access a list of all your site's pages. This is where you can manage and organize your web pages effectively. To create a new folder, look towards the bottom of your page list and click on plus Add Page. From the options that appear, select Folder. Now, it's time to name your folder. This name should reflect the type of content the folder will hold. For example, you can name it Services, Portfolio, or Resources. Once you've chosen a name, simply press Enter to create the folder. Now that your folder is created, you can begin organizing your pages. You have two options. You can click and drag existing pages into this new folder to keep related content together, or you can add new pages directly into the folder. To do this, select the folder first and then click plus Add Page to create a new page inside it. For those who want a sleek look on their website, you can display this folder as a drop-down menu. Navigate to your site header and click on your main menu. From there, select Manage Menu. In this section, your new folder will be visible and automatically set as a drop-down menu. You can also rearrange items by dragging pages in or out of the folder as you like. Here's a quick tip. You can rename your folders anytime without affecting the links of the pages inside them. If you're working with Wix Studio, the advanced version, the process is quite similar. Open your project in Wix Studio, go to the Pages panel on the left side and click on plus followed by folder to add a new folder. Give your folder a name, then drag your pages into it, or create new ones directly inside to keep things organized. Using folders in Wix Studio can also enhance how you organize dynamic pages and collections. That's it for today. You've learned how to create folders in Wix to keep your website structured and easy to navigate. Remember, an organized site not only looks professional, but also helps your visitors find information effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy editing.